We're going to talk about the first touch reset, or FTreset indicator. The name came from a trade setup from many years ago when I was trading simply support and resistance trades, and has since stuck. Although it may not make a whole lot of sense to a lot of people, it's just one of those names that we stuck with over time. But what we're doing is we're creating support and resistance pivots. Now, these pivots are based on a concept that the movement of price of an asset or security or contract or stock will tend to stop and pivot or reverse at certain predetermined price levels. For example, you see some pivots on this chart here, and you'll notice at predetermined price levels, price either stops and turns or has a hard time breaking through that particular pivot. What gives these pivots their value? Well, the people trading give the pivots value. They are a self-fulfilling prophecy. There is nothing magical about them. So we want to look at the pivots that most other people are looking at. So you'll notice some numbers at the end of these pivots. The higher the number, the higher we can expect the reaction to be to that line, or the stronger we can expect that reaction to be to that line. Very common to test the other side of a pivot before price pulls back. We have a relative strength number at the end of the pivot to help us determine how strong to expect that line to be. We use several different formulas. Hold on. For the FTreset indicator, you have your choice of several different pivot formulas, including the ability to change the parameters of the draw objects and create a zone around each line to create a support or resistance zone rather than a specific line. You can also create or edit the opacity of that zone. This indicator is good on all chart types, and it's an extremely powerful indicator for you to be used for trading pullbacks or retracements from a trend, scaling into or out of a trend, developing an entirely new trading system around them, or simply adding confluence to your current trading system.